Foundation issues can be a major headache for any homeowner. Settling can be the reason you are having those issues. Stay tuned to hear how foundation settling is diagnosed. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Foundation settling is an issue in many homes. In this video, I will explain how settling is diagnosed, and you will hear what cracks, sticking doors, or windows, and other methods are used to determine if a foundation is settling. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. One of the first things that we look for when diagnosing a home's foundation are there cracks in the foundation. And so we don't mean just cracks in maybe the stone exterior or the brick, although those can be signs as well. We're actually looking at the foundation of the home, whether that's getting in the crawl space, looking in the basement, or just usually you can see a little bit of the foundation wall between the soil on the outside and your brick or your siding or anything like that. Really want to take time and go around the entire home, looking at the windows, making sure that gaps aren't too big or they're big at the top and small at the bottom, or that those windows or doors aren't sticking or won't close properly as well. We've talked about visuals and what we can look at to diagnose a foundation, but the most sure way to diagnose a settling foundation is using a rotating laser on the home. So we use this laser to run down the side of your house to determine if it goes up or down the side of your home to see if it's settling, how much it's settling, and exactly where it is settling at. And this is really important for any professional coming to your home to not just think that they've seen it before and they know what's happening. Every home can react different, and every home can have different signs that may not even be settling but look like settling signs. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about how we diagnose settling foundations? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.